Sheehan will fake the handoff to Torin Young. He keeps it off the left side. Jack Sheehan to the goal line. Touchdown, Blizzard. Jack Sheehan takes it off the left side on the read. And his 4th touchdown run in the last 2 weeks. Well, Sam, how about that for a quick start for Green Bay?
Yeah, I said that they needed to start fast on offense, get things going early, and they did just that, scoring on their opening drive.
Just over 4 minutes to go, or 4 minutes gone here in the first quarter. And Nick Jaworski is on to attempt the extra point, the Racine native. Mamadou Mbai is the holder. Snap to Sheehan. Throwing downfield has Stephen Newbold. Touchdown, Blizzard. As Des Stewart was just up behind us. But Steve Newbold was wide open on that one. And the Green Bay Blizzard out to a 2-possession lead. And Jaworski on again for the extra point. Receivers in forward motion. Snap to Lyles, looking downfield, has a man, no, picked off Trey Claiborne, he's still on his feet. Here comes Trey Claiborne, down the left sideline, one man to beat, knocked out by Kare Lyles. What a start for Green Bay. Pass was underthrown, and the big cornerback, Trey Claiborne, takes it away. I believe that's his first interception of the year. And another short field for the Green Bay offense. Young was given the call and made his debut last week. Sheehan throws for Keyshawn Taylor, caught, touchdown Blizzard. Took a shot, but Keyshawn Taylor hauls it in. And the Blizzard are up 20-0 with just under 3 minutes to go in the first quarter. Take a look at that throw. To come back for it a little bit, takes a shot from Travion Beck. Kick is on the way. It will be just short, fielded by Newbold. Newbold has blockers. Going up the left sideline, Steve Newbold on his feet. Shakes off a tackler, but runs into the dasher board. He knows that he almost took it back. But it will be another short field here for the Green Bay offense. First quarter stats for Green Bay. The rushing game was in full swing. 6 carries for 39 yards and 1 touchdown. That came off the legs of Jack Sheehan. Snap to Sheehan, a look to throw. Back of the end zone. Keyshawn Taylor hauls it in. Touchdown Blizzard. That's the second of the game for Keyshawn Taylor. Getting the crowd into it a little bit. Throws it to a fan in the front row. And Green Bay up 26-0. Something going here with Frank Brown at quarterback. He drops back, throws downfield, and this one going to be juggled and intercepted. Mamadou Mbai. The second turnover forced by the Green Bay defense. And Mamadou Mbai. It is going to be his first interception of the all-rookie team member from last year here in the IFL gets his first interception of the season. And Green Bay will take over from their own 5-yard line. It's time today. Hand off to Torin Young. Cuts it back. Torin Young into the end zone. Touchdown Blizzard. His first rushing touchdown in a Blizzard uniform. And Torrin Young extends the Blizzard lead up to 33-0. And the extra point unit will come out. We'll take a look at that one. Young was
Good
totally
putback
stopped there.
Little jump cut.